After weeks of speculations, X has now officially announced its decision to introduce fees for new users, which was formerly called Twitter. The company has revealed information regarding a new subscription service named Not a Bot, which is presently undergoing testing in New Zealand and Philippines. New users are now required to pay $1 USD per year for a subscription to use core features like tweets, retweets, bookmarks, and likes. Those who don't pay will only be able to use X in a read-only mode. X initiated testing of Not a Bot on October 17, 2023 in 2 countries. This subscription aims to enhance the company's ongoing efforts to combat spam, platform manipulation, and bot activity while maintaining accessibility by balancing it with a nominal fee. In an official statement, the company said that for now, the fees will not apply to existing users and is not a profit driver. Subscription options have proven to be the main solution that works at the bots. Nonetheless, this test is likely to intensify discussions about the possibility of X implementing universal charges for all users. In a recent live-stream discussion with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Elon Musk hinted at the prospects of introducing a compulsory payment system to users related to bots and spams. In July, X had introduced a limit on viewing tweets to ensure the authenticity of its users being citing the same reasons. In conclusion, X's decision to introduce fees for new users to the Not a Bot subscription service marks a significant step in their ongoing battle against spam and bot activity while sustaining the platform accessibility. The debate over the potential implementation of charges is still ongoing, as according to the company, it is a preventive measure for security, whereas some users say it's just another way of earning money.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.